Hi guys, in this video I'm going to look at the BenQ GW2470HM. This is a full HD 23.8 inch monitor with a resolution of 1920 by 1080. The panel type is AMVA, it has good colour accuracy, 8 bits and can render 16.7 million shades simultaneously. It has a very high contrast ratio of 3000:1, a wide viewing angle of 178 degrees and 4 milliseconds grey to grey response time. The monitor is an eye care model, which means that it's flicker free, and it also has a low blue light mode. Blue light from monitors is claimed to adversely affect eye health and also to disrupt sleep patterns. And for sound, the monitor has two 1-watt speakers built in. In the box we have the monitor, power cable, 2-part stand, an HDMI cable, a VGA cable, quick start guide and the driver disc. The stand is slotted together and secured with a screw. It is then inserted into the monitor and locked in position. To remove it again, just press the release button. The stand can be tilted backwards and forwards, but there is no height adjustment. To use a different stand or mounting bracket, there are 4 VESA mounting holes in the back panel in a 100mm square pattern. The inputs to the monitor are HDMI, DVI and VGA. Both of the supplied leads are 1.5 meters in length, which is approximately 5 feet. There is a line input for the speakers. For security there is a Kensington lock, and the power lead is an IEC C13 type, which plugs directly into the monitor. The overall screen height including the stand is 425mm or 16 3/4 inch, and for comparison this is the 23.8 inch model compared to the 21.5 inch model. Now let's have a look at the controls. There are 6 keys on the right hand side at the bottom of the monitor. The key on the right is the power key, and the other 5 are control keys. Pressing any of the control keys brings up the on-screen display menu. If there is no video input, then you can select the video source. If there is a video source, then pressing the control keys displays the hotkey menu. The first 3 keys are custom keys, which are assigned to particular actions and can be user defined. By default, the first key is the low blue light control. The second key is the source input. And the third key is for the speaker volume. The menu key is used to access the main menu. From display we can change the input source. From picture, brightness, contrast, sharpness, gamma, color temperature, reset the color, AMA, which is short for Advanced Motion Accelerator, which can improve the grey to grey response times and give a clearer and more vivid image. From picture advanced, we've got picture mode, overscan. This makes the displayed picture slightly larger to hide noise on the edge of video. From audio we've got volume, mute, and you can also select the audio source. From system we can change the function of the custom keys. DDC/CI, this stands for Display Data Channel Command Interface. These are the protocols used to communicate between the graphics adapter and the monitor. HDMI auto switch, auto power off, and reset all. And the exit key to exit the on-screen display. I have 3 different BenQ monitors, all with AMVA panels, and I really like them. The colour accuracy is good and the high contrast ratio makes the screen very nice to look at. This model includes speakers. The sound quality is okay for day-to-day workstation use, and if you just need basic sound then this is a useful addition. However, if you want to use the monitor for gaming or watching music videos, then you will probably want to use external speakers. I find the flicker-free screen and low blue light mode less tiring on the eyes. So overall I think this is an excellent monitor and I'm quite happy to recommend it. The product link is in the description if you're interested. If you found this video useful then please like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again next time.